Well, good afternoon. This is Rich. The markets ended up closing mixed here at the end of the day. All in all, a pretty good close considering that the outside markets look very bearish for commodities. In fact, the outside commodities negative on the day. Crude oil down $1.35 a barrel. Gold down almost $50 an ounce, and the Dow futures currently down 200 points here at the end of the session. The dollar finished up 0.9 of a point. Still lack of faith in any major changes in Europe. Certainly was bearish to the euro, bullish to the dollar, and that carried over into the U.S. markets here. We continue to see liquidation in commodities. Last week's commitment of traders report showed that corn, we saw another liquidation, or another week of liquidation of about 15,000 contracts, I believe. Soybeans, 3,000 contracts, taking them to the shortest position we've seen since I've been keeping track over the last 4 years. Corn dropped down to about 125,000 long now from the funds. This after being long over 400,000 contracts early this year. So things kind of getting whittled down. Here at the close today, we ended up seeing December corn unchanged at 585.5. It was lower overnight and early this morning. March corn down 1/4 cent at 594. January soybeans up a nickel at 11.12. March beans up 5 3/4 at 11.22 1/4. The March cotton down 327 at 87.16. January rice down 21.5 points at 13.79.50. And March Chicago wheat down 1 3/4 at 594 1/4. Kansas City March wheat down 9 1/4 at 652 1/4. And the March Minneapolis wheat down 3 3/4 at 823 1/2. We did get a decent week of corn export inspections. Once again, for 2 weeks in a row now, we've kind of moved from loading more beans to loading more corn, so that seen as supportive to the corn market as well, particularly the December contract, which is in the delivery period right now. Hope you have a good day and a good night. We'll be back in the morning with an update.